In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam game not launching. So first thing you can try is open Steam, and here you want to find the game, right click on it, and then go to properties, and then installed folders, and then you want to open the folder for this game. So here you will open it, and then right click on the game. It should be the one that ends with .exe. Right click, properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode, run this program as an administrator. Click apply and OK, and try opening the game and see if this works. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, then what you can do is right click on the game again, properties, and installed files, and click on verify integrity of game files. This might take a few minutes, so wait for it and see if this fixes your issue. Now, if this doesn't fix your issue, you can try to close Steam, then close it from here. Exit Steam. So right click on Steam and go to open file location. And here you want to go all the way up and simply delete the app cache. So right click and delete the app. So after this, you're gonna restart your computer and then reopen Steam and see if this works. And hopefully this fixes your issue. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.